Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up GIANAC Wi-Fi Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the GIANAC Wi-Fi Extender is a plug-and-play device that boosts your existing Wi-Fi signal into weak or dead zone areas of your home. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the GIANAC Wi-Fi Extender into a wall socket close to your main Wi-Fi router, same room is best. Wait for power LED to turn on. If it blinks for 20 to 40 seconds, that is normal. Once the power LED is stable, continue. Placing it near the router helps the devices connect quickly during setup. Look for the WPS button on your router. It may be labeled WPS, or show an icon that looks like two arrows forming a circle. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS LED will start blinking. Blinking equals your router is searching for devices to connect with. You have about 2 minutes to press the extender's WPS button. On the extender, locate the WPS button, usually on the front or side. Press the WPS button for 1 second and release. The WPS/signal LED will begin blinking. This means the extender is now trying to pair with the router. Now both devices will connect automatically, give it 30 to 60 seconds. During this time, the WPS LED on the router may blink fast. The signal/Wi-Fi LED on the extender blinks, then becomes solid. Successful WPS connection looks like signal LED becomes solid green or stable. Wi-Fi icon LED stops blinking. If the light becomes red or continues blinking, repeat the WPS steps again. After successful pairing, unplug the extender. Move it to an area between your router and the weak signal area. Your extender will now rebroadcast the Wi-Fi. You will see new extended Wi-Fi names such as your home Wi-Fi_XT or your home Wi-Fi_5G XT. Use the same password as your main router. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.